Welcome to this introductory video to SPSS. In this video, you get to learn how to use SPSS, how to enter data into SPSS, and by the end of this video, you become familiar with the SPSS interface. This is the first video in a series of videos I'll be making that's going to teach you guys how to do statistical analysis, ANOVA, differential analysis, discrete analysis, correlation, and everything about statistical analysis. So I encourage you to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so that you will be first notified when I make videos. So this is SPSS. SPSS, as you all know, is a software that allows you to do statistical analysis. SPSS has two windows: the data view, which you can see. This data view allows you to enter into data, just like a spreadsheet, like Excel spreadsheet, and the variable view. The variable view allows you to make changes or define your variables. You can see on the data view, I actually type on this, and so when I type on this, it created a variable. You can see it created a variable, get created a variable which I can define or make changes to in the variable view, as you can see. So we have variable O3, variable 4, variable 5, variable 6. This is why it says variable 2 is because I this was the name, so you just give it a default name you get, so you can easily come to this place and change the name. So if, for example, I want to change the name, let's say I have field data which I want to change this to ID. You know that in SPSS in this variable view, you can't start by using figures in this variable view. SPSS will not allow it. You can only use letters, and SPSS will not allow you to write a space. For example, if I write something like age group, I put space. SPSS will not, like, just say I type age group, I tap enter, SPSS is going to reject it. But you can write it something like age, then you can use underscore and group. SPSS will accept it to get. So I'm going to change this to just age group. Then I'm going to change this to sex. Let's change this variable to sex. And I'm going to change this to weight. I'm going to change this to height. Good. If I come to the data view, you can see it has changed to ID, age, sex, weight, and height. So in this variable view, too, you can also make changes to it. In this first one, I said type ID. If I put this on numeric, it means that I can only type in numbers in my data view. If I put this on string, it means that I can type in what? I can type in both numbers and alphabet. It's is going to accept it yet. Then if I come back to this place, I put it on date, means I can only enter date in it, and you can select the format. So for this item, I'm going to put it on numeric. You should always put it on numeric, because if it is in numeric, that's when you can only do analysis on it. For the age will be on numeric, the weight will be on numeric too, and that type of okay. Other things you can add to it is by changing this. So I'm going to my ID is nominal, simply means that it is just name you get. For scale of measure in our statistics, there's actually four: scale, or not scale, sorry, ordinal, nominal, interval, and ratio. But SPSS interval and ratio is combined into scale. So for my age with scale, my sex will be nominal, then weight will be scale. Then make age. Age is nominal. So age is scale, sex is nominal, weight is scale, and height is scale. Then I can tap on data view, and this way I can simply input it. So I'm going to input in some few data into this particular place, and then we continue. So I go back to my search sheet. I can say I have data. So my IDs, I'm going to copy my ID. Right, I'm going to copy the ID, and I'm going to go back to SPSS. I'm going to input in the ID on this particular place. And for the age, I go back again. I can copy everything once and paste, but I'm going to show you guys sometime. There's something I want to show you guys. So copy this, my age, then go back to SPSS. and paste it. Let me do same for both weight and height. Now you'll be wondering, how can I enter my sex data yet, knowing fully well that the sex consists of male and female, and if I type in SPSS is going to reject it. So in this place where we get to code our data. So by coding, this means that I'm going to go back to variable view. And for this process says, I'm going to click on this label this place called value. You can assign value. I'm going to assign one to represent me. I'll click on add. I assign two to represent female. For my to represent female, I'll click OK. After that, I'll come back to the data view. And this place, I'll go back to my Excel sheet. What I'll be doing is simply, whenever I see male, I'm going to write 1. Yeah, I'm going to represent it by 1. And where I see female, represented by 2, which I've done in this place. I need to do is to simply copy this and go back to SPSS and we simply paste it on this place. And then if I toggle this, you can see 1 is representing male and 2 is representing female. As you can see all this place. Another thing you can probably do is go back to this variable here. You can add label. Label allows you to do to add a description. So it is I recommend you add label, always add label to your variable. This place ID present identification number, age, expired age, then sex, gender, weight in kg, height in inches. You get. Once you have done all of this, the next thing you need to do is to start character analysis. Before we go right to that aspect, other things you're familiar with how to save and how to open a new document. To save is very easy. Click on File, Save As, and here you can simply save your document. You want to open up existing document, click on File, click on Open Data. You can open up existing document. Outside this window, and know we know we have this window, data view allows you to enter data, variable views where you can make changes to your variable. We also have another window which is called the output window. In this output window, enter your analysis or your statistics. The result is going to be shown in this window. For example, let's say I want to run descriptive analysis on this particular data. To do this, I'll click on Analyze. I'll click on Descriptive. Let's just say Descriptives. I'm going to select all of this. We'll tap on this, move it to the next side. I'm going to tap on OK. As you can see, this is descriptive statistics and it brought out the result in a new window, which we call output window. You get output window. So this output window is just get to see your result. And you can see we have 12. You can see minimum. We have for the identification number of the ID, we have total of 12. For the age, we have 12 to 12 persons. Minimum identification number is 1. We don't actually need to run analysis on this ID. Can start from the age. The minimum is 15. Maximum age is 45. Then no need to run analysis on the sex yet because one simply represents male, two represents female. But you can know that total number of people that participated is 12. Yet for the weight, minimum weight is 190, maximum weight is 166, and the and so we have run the first analysis called descriptive analysis. So guys, this is just intro of statistical analysis. As we go on, you get to understand how to make use of all of this window, how to run the analysis. The most important tab in this place is this analyze. With this place, you can run everything. Compare image, you can see you can run one supported test, independent supported test, one way and over. This is the most important tab you get. So guys, in my next video, I'm going to explain t-test, descriptive statistics, and differential statistics, and what they mean and how you can run them or we analyze the data. If you find this video helpful, please do to like, go to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.